My name is Sandra. I am the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We are a small boutique in Pine City, Minnesota. We offer repurposed, upcycled home decor and furniture along with some really amazing gifts. You can also find us on all social media as well as our website, www.midwestcharm.co. I have had to move some stuff to show you guys our thrift haul today. And boy, it took a lot more out of me than I thought it did. I'm so sorry. The first item up is huge, you guys, huge. So my husband found this. It's not a very big haul today, so just hang in there. I've got a few announcements at the end. I don't even know how to start with this. It's huge. And it's ginormous. Anyways, the frame, as you can see, is amazing, as well as the art part. And in my head, I have that being painted and distressed back so that it pops all that detail. I'm thinking white or a cream. Not sure yet, but one of those two. And again, this is a smaller haul than normal, but I need to get it off of my workspace because I want to do some creating and I can't do that with all of this right here. We have a mug holder and this is going to get painted. These wood ones sell really well for us and we've had a hard time finding them. So it's really strange that 2 hauls in a row we've had one. We've had easier time finding the metal ones, but definitely not the wood ones. This next piece is just a little planter urn type situation. It is cast iron. It is super heavy. This is probably going to get painted in the faux cement that we like to do with some patina type stuff on it. We'll see. But that definitely needs an upcycle. This is actually really heavy. I thought resin. I don't know if it's already been painted once. I'm not entirely certain. My cats are super hyper today. I'm so sorry. So he is like a Black Panther or something, very regal. I'm excited to get him into the store. He will probably go in as is. If you can see behind me, I will recess. I can't remember if I showed you guys this one, but I will rescue all Granny Square Afghans forever. This one has colors that are not my typical, except for maybe that green. And I'm really excited to have found it. But look at this one. Isn't it beautiful? I'm so excited that I found it. It's ridiculous. Both of these will be getting washed up and thrown into the store. And we have another kitty. This one's probably my favorite. Look at his little face. He looks so stinking happy, and he's got just that touch of metallic on his nose and the tips of his ears and his little paws. I told Katie she couldn't keep all the cats, so I bought her a separate cat that I think she already took in her room. It's a little planter, and he's on his back. It's adorable. We got this funky, this looks like spider web to me, but a little tiered tray. And this is from Target, from Hide and Eek. So it is definitely part of their Halloween. And you'll see a few fall things in here in this haul. You guys, when you can find it, I was trying to grab something else. When you can find it at cheaper prices than you would during that season, you've got to scoop it up. Like for instance, let me get out this thing. I grabbed this. And yes, it's a pumpkin and it's adorable and it's got sunflowers. It's beautiful, totally fits with the vibe in our store. It was $4.99. And for some of your stores, that might be pricey. For ours, that's great. Because during fall, this same exact thing is going to be at least $8.99. I can't flip things at those prices, so I will save them at that $4.99 price tag and put it in a tub tote thing and save it up. There's a couple things that I got for fall that were like that this go round. But at those prices, you kind of have to. Now, how cute is this little mini hutch? I cannot wait to paint this up. I have ideas, but we'll have to wait and see if I can make them come to fruition. But I loved that. And the price was so good. It was so good. I was very happy. And if you've been in the store or followed my reels, you know I've been putting out all the planters. And this is just another one that's going to go out there. It's just an old bucket that's been painted and distressed. It has holes already in the bottom, so you can pop a plant right on there. It will be fabulous. Did I show you this last time? It's still sitting here, so I wasn't entirely certain, but it was a really good price. I'm not sure what y'all are paying for used candlesticks, but this one I'm not doing anything to, so it makes that price a little bit easier to bear. And you might recognize this fella. We just flipped one of these and did it into our cement look, and he's already in the store and he's regal, and these are kind of fallish too. I think I'm going to leave this guy in his nice shiny white and we'll put him out as is. I really like him. He does need a good clean job. He is kind of gross, but either that or he was painted and they missed spots. I can't tell. But he's going to go right into the store. I'll probably put him in now since owls still tend to be doing pretty well for us. No complaints there. We got this little birdcage cloche. I don't have a plate right here, but this would look super cute with a little plate or a wood block or something for underneath it with a nest, all the cute things. Oh. We've grabbed a butter bell. So I like to grab butter dishes and these butter bells. These ones are, I'm trying to just get the tape off, super cute. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you put your butter in the top, little water on the bottom, and you store it like this, and you can keep it on your counter and the butter won't spoil because it creates that seal. Anyways, we also have some salt and pepper shakers. It is so rare when our Goodwills put these out in a pair that I had to grab them. And of course I had to grab them. They're little birds with little roses. And I think we've had a set similar to that, if not the exact same one already. And it sold right away. So that's definitely going to go in. This awesome pan, I'm going to put out with our planters. I think this would be really, it's got a couple natural holes on the bottom there. This would be super cute with a big old fern overflowing or some pansies or something in here. Super cute. So that will go with our planter display. I got to move these kitties over so I can grab these baskets. I'm like going to work on DIYs today. And so I've got like this massive mess and not cool, but I'm working on it. All right, I grabbed this tobacco basket with this floral already in there. The floral's a little dusty, so I will give it a good dust off. I might keep it as is because I do kind of like it, and then just put this away for fall along with our little pumpkin there. We grabbed a bag full of some cookie cutters, and we love like the old vintage ones here and the old patinaed up copper ones, and then we've got some of these molds, and we sell these molds. We also use them for upcycling. You'll see that, and then we have spots out that have all sorts of the vintage cookie cutters in there. So I like to grab those when I can get a big deal on them in a bag like that. Don't ever skip those bag walls, you guys, ever. There's always good stuff there. All right, next. I don't know. I just thought this would look stunning sitting on a book stack. I can just see it, vintage books in the nice, beautiful, worn, with this sitting on top of it. So that's why I grabbed it. I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on that? Not quite our vibe, but I think the way I'll style it up will be definitely our vibe. I grabbed these again, bags. And we don't have a bag wall. They're just usually kind of tucked in with the different areas. And this is not going to. So this one, I can't remember if it was in with the silverware area or what, but they're just some nice patinaed up. I'm getting dirty from them. Little scoops. I thought those were great. Oh, I was so excited about this. It was quite ridiculous. My hands are so dirty from that now. Ugh. You guys, how amazing is this? This is Wherever aluminum. I love it. I absolutely love it. I honestly think I may end up painting this white on the outside and leaving the aluminum on the inside and putting a bunch of floral in here. I just think it's great. I don't know. This was probably my favorite find this week. And we do have a smaller haul simply because we had so much stuff last week. It was insane. And I don't remember if this was last week or not, you guys. Did I show you guys this? It's cast iron. It's a bird. He does have a lot of rust and wear. I'm going to try cleaning it up, see what happens. If he doesn't clean up that well, I don't mind. You guys know I don't mind that rusty, but it just looks dingy. So if he doesn't clean up that well, I may end up painting him. But look at this guy. Ah! Y'all know I love this color. He is going to go out as is. He will probably go right in the window. He's carrying a little mushy. Oh my God. I had to grab him. I'm not big on gnomes, but totally had to grab him. He's going to look super cute in my planter area that I have going. And then last but not least are these two baskets. They're huge. They're stacking. Both of them do have the little tag attached to them still. I got such a smoking deal on these. I had to get them. My basket area is really full right now. We sell through a lot. We really do. And I hated buying them because I already have so many, but it was, oh, they're great. So those two baskets along with it. And that's everything today, I believe. Like I said, it was definitely a smaller haul due to the fact that last week's was so ginormous. I just finally finished putting all the stuff that was ready for the store. I finally got it all priced and out this Sunday, I believe. So that's all done, but it took a lot. It was a lot. And I still don't have all the flips done. I mean, you know, somebody talked about having their PhD projects half done. I've got stacks of them right now. So that's what I'm going to work on today, is trying to get some of these projects finished up. I am doing a class tonight that I'm really excited to be participating in and upcycling something that I'll share with you guys all later. I'm excited about it though. And, you know, I've got a few other items that are just kind of laying around that I want to get some projects done here. And just, I don't know, it's stressing me out because it's all like right here and I need it cleaned. So I've been slowly doing that along with getting ready to do this video and some other stuff. So bear with me. Please be watching for some upcoming DIY videos. I have some of them half done. I've got other ones that I totally spaced off what I was doing and finished 2 projects off without recording. And I'm so mad at myself. So I've got other parts. It was rolling pins again. You guys, I don't know why I can't get a full rolling pin video done. I always seem to finish them off without recording them, and I don't know why. And I keep promising that video because they're so easy and so fun, and you can do so much with them. So I'm really excited to get that done. Please like, subscribe, and share. We got a lot of traffic on our videos for the vignettes. I have those coming out at 6:30 a.m. every Friday Central Time. We will see you all next time. Bye.